Hello, beautiful people. I am Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales, and I would like to show you this beautiful box. It's a 26-foot box. So I sold the truck. Chassis is sold. The truck is not available as a whole truck. The chassis is sold. The truck is sold. I'm only selling the box, and it's a 103 high, 102. It's a 26-foot box, and it's a Carrier Supra 960. And I'm selling it without the lift key. If you would like the lift key, that's a different story, but I'm listing it the box, no lift key, and that is, I'm gonna measure the box entrance for you. And as you can hear, the reefer is working. So the door entrance is about 92 inches high, and it's about 90 wide. So it's 92 high and 90 wide. I'm gonna open the box now to show you inside, but let me just show you that is cooling. So it started at I don't know if you can see this, but 72. So it started at 80. It's pretty hot today. So right now it's at 72, so it's cooling. And as you can see, beautiful box. The year is 2018, no damage. It has a side door. It's a California truck. So it's a California box. As you can see, no rust. I would say normal rust for California. Anyway, so now I'm gonna open it inside and show you. This here, this right here. Most part, really good condition. A little bit of damage on the sides just because it's a used box, but very good condition. And this box is one of my taller ones. It's a 92. This one is an 88, and this one is 88 as well. So you're gonna be getting one of the taller ones. So that is kind of hard to find. A lot of people want those taller ones. And I'm showing you here underneath the box. Electric standby. This is very important here for California for emissions. It has 14,000 reefer hours. I'm gonna show you the reefer hours right here. By the way, it's at 66 temperature now. And here are the reefer hours. Oh, I just saw it. Engine, 14,181. 14,181. It's at 66. It started at 80 just about 10 minutes ago. And there you have it. Thank you. By the way, I'm here in Palmdale, California. You're welcome. Oh, I'm gonna be removing the box in Bakersfield. So if you need the box installed, we can install it for you. And here is me. Hello. So if you need the box installed, we can install it for you in Bakersfield. And installation tends to be about $2,000. We'll do it all right, and we will warranty everything, make sure that it's working for you. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you.